In today's video, I will walk you through how to make double exposure in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. We'll begin by removing the background from the main portrait image. Go up to the Select menu and choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the person in the image and create a selection around them. After that, click on the layer mask icon to hide the background and keep only the subject visible. Next, go to the Adjustment layer icon and choose Solid Color. For now, select a grey color. This background color helps us see the effect more clearly while we work. Once the solid color layer is created, drag it underneath the portrait layer so it sits in the background. Now bring in the second image that you want to combine with the portrait. Change its blending mode to screen so the darker areas disappear and the brighter parts blend into the subject. Then hold the Alt key and click between the layers to create a clipping mask. This keeps the second image visible only inside the portrait shape. At this point, reposition the second image until the composition looks balanced. You can move it around and scale it as needed to get the look you want. After positioning the image, add a layer mask to that layer. Then select the brush tool. Choose a soft round brush, keep the opacity at 100%, and lower the flow to around 15%. Make sure your foreground color is black before painting on the mask. Slowly brush over areas where you want to soften or hide parts of the exposure effect. Using a lower flow gives you smoother control and helps the blend look more natural. Once you are happy with the blend, go back to the solid color layer and change the background color from gray to a warm yellow tone. Now select the birds layer and change its blending mode to multiply. Add a layer mask to that layer as well. Then switch to the brush tool again, but this time use a hard round brush with both opacity and flow set to 100%. Paint on the mask to clean up the effect and control exactly where the birds appear in the composition. When everything looks good, press Ctrl, Alt, Shift and E together to merge all visible layers into a new layer. Right-click on that merged layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This allows you to apply filters non-destructively. Next, go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Inside Camera Raw, adjust the settings however you like to enhance the final look of the image. You can fine-tune the lighting, contrast, color, and overall mood until the effect feels complete. When you are finished, press OK to apply the changes. And that's it! You've created a double exposure effect in Photoshop, using layer masks, blending modes, and camera raw adjustments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.